Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessie, and today I will be making banana bread, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, for this banana bread recipe, I am going to use 5 small bananas and I am going to use a fork to crush my bananas. So now that my bananas are crushed, I am going to rest them aside. In a large bowl, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour that is already sieved. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda and 3/4 cup brown sugar, and I'm just going to stir everything together. Now I am going to add all my wet ingredients. I am going to whisk 2 eggs together. Now I am going to add my 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/3 cup milk, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and of course I am going to add my mashed bananas to my mixture. Now I am going to mix everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes. So this is the consistency of my banana bread mixture. Now I have a loaf tin that is already greased with some oil, and I'm going to add my banana bread mixture to it, and then I am going to bake it for roughly 45 minutes. I am just going to shape my pan to just release any air bubbles that are inside my mixture, and now I am going to put it to bake, and then I will show you the finished product. So guys, this is how my banana bread is looking after I take it out of the oven. I am going to allow it to rest for about 15 minutes, then I will remove it from my loaf tin. So yes guys, this is how my banana bread is looking after I remove it from the loaf tin. If you guys enjoyed this video and how to make banana bread, please leave a comment down below and give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Until next time, stay safe.